The rate of inflation is 1000%. Then, what will be the cost of an article which costs 6 units of currency now, 2 years from now? Now, over here, we use our basic concept of percentage, that is, new value is equal to old value into multiplier. Now, as we want the price 2 years from now, there will be two multipliers. Now, the current price is 6 rupees. So we have to find out the price after 2 years. That is, you have to find out the new value. So new value is equal to 6 into. Now, inflation, the concept is similar to percentage increase. So therefore, the multipliers will be 1 plus 1000 upon 100 because we always do fraction equivalent of the percentage. So 1000 percentage is given. So the fraction equivalent will be 1000 upon 100. The same inflation rate is for 2 years. So therefore, raised to 2. Okay. So now let's solve this. This will become 6 into, if you cancel out the zeros, it is 1 plus 10, that is 11. 11 square is 121. So therefore, answer will be 726.